Short video is a tutorial how to update the map. As you know, there's a background spreadsheet, in this map's case, hosted on my Google Cloud called Battery Installers that holds the data that is imported into this map view and layered over it to give the pins on the map. The limitation here is that when you update the data in the spreadsheet, this map does not update its data automatically. You have to do that by yourself. So it's easy, but it's a manual step. This battery installers part of the menu is the layer of spreadsheet data that's overlaid the map. And you can see that the layer, which to my mind, if you've ever used Photoshop, works very similarly, has a couple options. You can change its name from, in this case, battery installers to something else. You can open up a table and see all the information it uses. And you can also edit here, although I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend that the data always be edited on the Google Docs spreadsheet. And lastly, you can delete the layer. You can also have multiple layers that are one on top of the other, although for our purposes in this map, we're not doing that. In order to update the table, you delete the current one and you bring in a fresh one. So for the battery installer's label, we delete it. Although, let me say before I do that, I'm working on a copy of the map. So the original that you have and that you use for your website is not affected. Yeah, so I will delete this layer. And I really want to delete it. And then you can see that now the map has no pins on it. To get the new updated table, we click on Import and go to the Google Drive. And I think I can choose recent because I've been using it. Yeah, and here it is. Here's the spreadsheet battery installers that holds all the data. I double click it and in this case the map app is first asking me which columns hold the information for the location, and in this case it's the address column. Let me move this over so you can see the entire thing. And then secondly, it's asking me what column to use for labels. I've been using the name of the vendor. I then click Finish. And you can see here the map app has now imported the battery installer's data. Any changes we made to the battery installer spreadsheet are now in the map, and you're done until the next update is needed. Cheers. Bye.